Hi, welcome to Miss T Ideas. I want to show you some of the stuff I've been coloring in my adult coloring books. This is the wildlife, mindful tranquility, I think this is the only page I did this one. Let's see. Let me raise this up some. Okay, that's the only one I have there. Also have this one. Also a mindful tranquility, creativity of succulents. This is the Zen color. Closer. I like this one. And I think that's it of this one. Yep. It's one of my favorites. I'm still working on my tripod and my light, so excuse me, guys. And I want to welcome you back to my page. For those who've been, rocking with me, thank you very much. Welcome back. And those that is new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you. Make sure you please like, share, and subscribe. That helps out the algorithm and helps me to get a better channel and system. Because trust and believe, it will get better. This coloring is very good for your breathe and exhale. You just sink into what you're doing and kind of shut the world out sometimes. Sometimes we need that. I started out with just a couple of cheapy coloring books, and like this one. And my daughter just happened to have some, and she gave me some of hers. So I got several coloring books now. This is one I got from the dollar store. See, $5. And I was surprised to see it had a Coca-Cola one. I colored this with chalk, like the chalk that the kids write on the pavement with. That kind of chalk, some art chalk. And this book has all kind of Coke memorabilia, pictures. I got some loose color pages because I want to put them in my junk journal. There's another loose one. I'm going to put them in there because I want some of this coloring in my junk journal. This is going to go in my junk journal. It might even be a part of a cover, you know, when I finish coloring it. I started on this one night, and I decided to just make it different colors. I'm using some watercolor markers. I haven't gotten the good stuff yet. I don't really know what I need to get, but I know it needs to be something with less water than a watercolor. Copied this writing. I had time when I did that. And it's a Coca-Cola song. I like to teach the world to sing. I would like to teach the world. I like to buy the world home and furnish it with love. Yeah, there was a theme song that everybody knew at one time. Okay, I think that's the end of my. But it has some very interesting Coca-Cola stuff and stuff that you can cut out. Very interesting. And this is the one I bought from the dollar store. My light, the dollar store. Okay, that's the third coloring book. Let me see. This is another one, butterflies. I bought from the dollar store. I have trouble sleeping, so I mostly color at night. Adult coloring. And when I go somewhere, I bring my bring a little bag with some supplies. In case I want to work on something. What happened to that page? I think that one came out pretty. Thinking that's the last page. Oh no. Maybe I've started on something else. Oh. Look at there. I'm surprising myself. How many pages I've meant to get I've gotten done. Find beauty in the small things. That's so true. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. Yep. And this also came from either the Dollar Tree or the dollar store. Let's see, this is a bloom one. Is this? This is birds, bloom, butterflies. I see you can cut stuff out of these books after you color them up, before you color, make ephemera out of them. Or some origami. I start coloring on this. One night I colored 2 or 3 pages. Yeah. I don't do it all the time, but when I'm in that coloring space, I like to grab my adult coloring book and relax my mind. Just totally relax. I like these birds. But what I'm looking for is I'm looking for some good crayons. I have pencil colors, you know, the regular pencil colors and this and that. And I need some rich colors. So if anybody could tell me what good colors it's used for the coloring book. They have bright and vibrant. I got markers, but they're not the best. You know, they're a little cheapy set markers. And I know they have a lot of water in them because they'll, you know, you got to move around when you're coloring. Sometimes I color a little piece of this, a little piece of that, a little piece of that, and come back to that. You know, once it kind of dry a little. But I need to find out some good markers. If you know any good markers for painting, for coloring in these adult coloring books, please let me know. Please let me know in the chat. I'd appreciate it. Okay, and I think I got one left. I didn't show this one, did I? Inspired Designer Series. I don't know if I've done anything in it, but nope, don't look at it. Well, I'm gonna have to fix that. Got a coloring book that I've never done nothing in. We got the Dream Catcher. Dream Catcher, catch me a dream. Okay. And one more. This is a big one. I think I got this from, say, Calm, Relax, Color. I think I got this one from $5 store. Yeah. 5 and below. Yeah. I said a $5 store. 5 and below. I'm going to see. This is too big. And I colored this page. This is my first page in this book. What is it? The only page? Let me see. Got this page. I usually color more than one. Yep. That page that I'm not finished. That's probably it. All of these were done in the end of May to these few days in June. Or maybe the middle of May. Yeah. Definitely in May. These were done. Because June just came in. Well, that's my adult coloring. I just wanted to share that with you. And I don't throw anything away. When I get through coloring these pages, or before I get through coloring this book, I'm going to use that in my junk journal. People that do junk journal, they don't throw away. They don't throw away too much. I miss T Ideas. And thank you for watching another video. And I'll see you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Bye-bye.